Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm in Lapo Hoi Hoi. We have 1,000 square foot slab to pour, so come along with us on another concrete adventure. That's probably good. There you go. Nice. Oh man, you're going to muscle man it, huh? You look like a football player in a couple months.
Oh man, we gotta get ready for the tournament's coming up.
Yeah, I gotta be able to pack them pigs out.
Yeah.
2 at a time. All right, one truck down, huh? Nice thick slab, about 1,200 square feet, I think. 1,100, 1,200, something like that. West Hawaii concrete, so it's gonna be going quick.
Those things are a little bit flimsy, bro.
The little puller?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know,
It breaks so easy.
the junk. Take your side first, go ahead. Then let me have it after you. One more.
Get excited.
Well, hold up there, Si. Put her down, put her down. Yeah. Kick some mud up to your rod. I think we're caught up pretty much, huh?
Yeah. You feel it on the leg. Feel it on the leg.
Beautiful. Get all these edges hit while they're nice and easy still. Sun's popping, so this concrete's gonna take off quick today. Just gotta stay on it. Get around these anchor bolts nicely. Make sure you clean your board off always. Look at that, pouring with an ocean view. Look at that view. Beautiful. Second truck down, 20 yards. Looks like we got maybe one more truck on the way. I think that's our driver. Looking good. Got more than half down. Hold up. Need a little bit of mud on this side. This mud's sticky. Let's go.
Different from the first job, sir.
Yeah. Oh, show.
Hey, nothing fixed. Nothing fixed it.
Oh, I did about 2 weeks ago. Oh, we go beach yard, me and my brother guys. Big. Oh, on it. I heard she's pregnant again. Oh, then number 2 coming. I don't think all the sun you guys know. You're living with them before. Oh, what is that? I'm still doing good.
Yep. Well, at least we got the whole thing down nice and easy.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah.
I like it when there's less streakers with me. I can get it down to what it needs to be.
Yeah, 2 guys is really about all you need on the rod.
That's how I try to tell everybody. As long as you got that eye for the margin.
Hoo-ah-sa. Nice easy slab today. Went down nice and smooth. It's got to be 85, 90 out here right now. Now we're just kind of working our way around the edges and touching everything up, getting the parts ready to broom that are going to be broomed, and hard troweling everything else. Always scrape your edges. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell everybody that, but it's like a big pet peeve of mine. Scrape the edges, that way your edges are super tight, especially on like a slab or something, you know? So like that, boom, nice and tight. Machine's on it nice. Putting a good finish on it. Like I was saying earlier, this strip right here is going to be broomed. So it's going to kind of trowel it really quick, a couple times, and then put a nice tight broom on it. Good edges? Nice.
That's tight.
So when you're hitting edges and you got the power trowel running, you always want to trowel a couple foot out from the corner, something like that far. That way the power trowel can just get in here and finish the rest, you know? Because they can't get all the way in the corner. But you always want to keep the trowels nice and flat. Flat and caulked at the same time, you know, with lots of pressure. And every time you go around, they just kind of get tighter and tighter. Smooth operator. We just about got her done. Got the lanai part, or the porch part, all broomed up. I just went out and troweled the line because they're going to cover up the other part with framing, so it'll just literally sit right on top of that piece. And we're just out putting the rest of the trowel on the house slab, and then that's about it. Nice easy day out here in Lapahoihoi. Nice cooperative weather. The mud didn't flash off too hard on us, and had a good pump operating crew, and everybody worked well together. So now we're just kind of getting everything washed up and all ready to take off and be done for the day. I'd say it was a pretty successful day, and it felt good to be out here. All right, just getting the last of the forms off and everything picked up. Got all the stakes picked up and the majority of everything. That's a day's worth of work, everybody. Looks great. This is an A+ slab. Nice good burn finish in. Broom on the lanai. Edge was around the door. Like I said, now we got all the boards off. So, very productive day. Well, that's it for today's video, everybody. Out here in Lapahoihoi. Put down 1,200 square feet for 30 yards, and like you've seen, some of it was broomed and some of it was hard troweled. The concrete went off nice and smooth today. Even with as hot as it was, it just was nice and smooth. but couldn't really ask for a better day. But we got all the forms took off and everything's cleaned up, and now we're heading on home. So anyhow, I really hope you guys like my videos, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.